In this video, I'm going to show you how you can insert a PDF link into a cell in Google Sheets. So here I have my example Google Sheets and I'm going to add the PDF link to one of these cells. So what we're going to do, we're going to first open up a new tab and we need to go to the Google Apps icon in the top right hand corner, and as well as opening Google Sheets, you need to open up Google Drive. Now once you've got Google Drive open, make sure it's on the same account that you're in Google Sheets on. Then you need to go New in the top right, then click File Upload. And then from here you can go ahead and find your PDF. So mine is a PDF for London. We can then click Open. So once that has uploaded, we can go ahead and get the link to it and then add it to our cell. To do that, we first need to click on Recent and find it. So here it is. We can then right click, you need to go to Share and then click Share Again. From here what you can do is change the general access from restricted to anyone with the link. Then you need to click on Copy Link. Now we've done that, we can go to the Google Sheets and you can then decide where you want to add the link. So I'm going to just add it to this one here where the notes are. You can then right click on the cell. You then need to click Insert Link and then you may be able to see your PDF. If not, you can just right click and paste it and then click on the link. Now if someone was to preview this Google Sheet, even if you were to share it with someone, they'll be able to click on the note and click on the PDF, which should open, and then they'll be able to view that as well. So that's how to do it. I hope that video helped you out.